Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about files in C programming language. So, a file contain information. Okay, so file is a document which contains information. So here file is a place on the disk in which a group of related data is stored in a files or permanently with the help of external storage devices. So with the help of external storage devices, we can store related data in a file permanently. So basically there are two types of files. Those are sequential file and random access file. So normally files are used to store related data permanently. Okay, so let's see sequential file. So the name itself indicates a sequential file means are very easy to create than random access files. Why? Because the data will be stored in sequential file in a sequential order. Sequential order means one after another. So one after another in this sequential manner in a sequential file. But whereas in random access file, the data can be accessed and processed randomly. So one file stored in here and another file stored. So like this, the file is stored and processed randomly. Okay, so C language supports other files. Those are known as text files and binary files. Okay, so there are two types of files. One is sequential and another one is random. In sequential file, the data is stored sequentially, whereas in random, the file are stored and processed randomly. But it supports, C language supports other files. Those are text file and binary file. So text file, the name itself indicates text file means it contains text. Okay, so let's see. Here the text file is a stream of characters. Okay, so it is a stream of characters that can be sequentially processed by a computer. Okay, stream of characters can be processed sequential by a computer. So the text file can only process the characters. Only it contains characters. Those that it can be only read or write data one character by character at a time. So you can read or write data in a file by character. Okay. Next one is binary file. So binary file means zeros. Binary means zeros and ones. So here it file either processed sequentially or randomly depending on the application. So depending on the applications, it can access both. It can process both sequentially or randomly. Whereas in text file, so it is processed only in sequentially. Okay, so binary file is a collection of bytes. So what is a byte? Byte is nothing but 8 bits. Okay, so collection of 8 bits is known as 1 byte. Okay, so here binary file is a collection of bytes. A binary file takes less space to store piece of data but does more efficient than text file. Okay, so here in binary file the data is stored in the form of bytes. Okay, so that's why it takes less space to store the data. Okay, it is more efficient than text files. Okay, so these are the different types of files in C. One is sequential and another one is random. Next one is text file and another one is binary file. Okay, so here what is a stream? So streams in C. Streams in C. Stream is a logical interface. Okay, so it is an interface, logical interface to a file where a file can refer to a disk file. or computer screen or keyboard, etc. Okay, so it is a logical interface to a file. Okay, so where file can refer either disk file, computer screen, okay, keyboard. Next, types of streams. So here standard input, okay, STDIN, standard input stream from which program receives its data. So here by using standard in stream it can receive the data. Okay, next one is standard output, standard STDOUT, standard output stream from where programs writes its output data. Okay, so input is used to receive its data and output is used to displays or writes the data. Next one is STDERR, standard error stream. So used by program to report error messages. Okay, so these are the different types of streams in file. Okay, so let's see the files. Those are sequential file. In sequential file the data is stored sequentially one after another, whereas in random file the data is stored randomly, okay, in the memory locations. And it can support two different types of files, text file and binary file. In text file it is used to read and write data by character, whereas in binary file the data is stored in the form of bytes, so that's why it occupies less amount of memory. So this is all about files. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.